This is my PowerPoint presentation on the ocean floor features. There are three main regions of the ocean floor: the continental margin and the deep ocean basin, and the mid-ocean ridge. There's the active and passive continental margins. The passive is the continental shelf, slope, and rise, and it is located far from plate boundaries. The active is located on convergent plate boundaries, where subduction and volcanism occur. The continental shelf, that is the part that starts to slope from the continent. It starts at the shore and ends in the deep ocean basin. The continental slope is the edge of the continental shelf, but it is very steep and where the continental crust and the oceanic crust meet. A volcanic island, the part of a volcano that is formed when it erupts enough to go above sea level and form an island. A seamount is an underwater volcano that can rise hundreds of meters in elevation, and the peaks do not come above the surface. An abyssal plain is a very flat surface that is deep within the ocean. Many dead organisms help make up the sediment on the floor. A mid-ocean ridge, a mountain chain that is underneath the ocean, and it runs almost all around the world. Lastly, the trenches. The trenches are the deepest parts of the ocean, and they're usually long and narrow, and it's where the plates converge to form the trench.